It's been 1 year since our family bought a Chery Tiggo 7 Pro, and a lot of you guys are asking me in the comments to come up with an update video. Well, dude pare, here we are, where I will share with you what we love about the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro, what we don't like about it too much, and well, everything in between. Well, dude, are you ready? Let's do this. Alright, dude pare, so if you're a long-time viewer of my channel, you would know that last year we decided to buy a Chery Tiggo 7 Pro for my mom's personal use. Now, if you want to know why we chose the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro, well, you can always watch that video by clicking the link above. Now, dude, to put it all in a nutshell, well, the reason why we went for the Tiggo 7 Pro is because my mom wants to drive a car that is smaller and also lighter to drive than her previous daily, which was a Toyota Fortuner. So we landed on the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro here. Now, during that past year, my mother has accumulated around 6,300 kilometers worth of mileage, which I know is not really a lot. But given the current situation of the whole pandemic and stuff, well, my mom is not really going out as much as before. Still, after 6,300 kilometers, here is a quick update on the things that we love about the Tiggo 7 Pro, plus some of the things that, some of the comments that my own mother has about this vehicle. First up, of course, we still love the looks of this Chery Tiggo 7 Pro. I mean, even after a year, this bright red paint job with a two-tone black roof is still a standout on the road. In Tagalog, hindi siya mukhang nakakasawa. Alright? Hindi siya nakakasawa. Now, dude, we love the overall design language here in the front fascia. You know, that large Stardust grille there. Of course, the LED headlights here. I mean, it still is quite the head turner even after a year. Another thing that my family still loves about this vehicle is, well, the overall comfort of the cabin. I mean, this being a gasoline-powered crossover, well, it is much more refined than the Toyota Fortuner that my mom used to drive. Now, we also love the tech. You know, it's such a big convenience here. And my mom also loves the fact that it is so much lighter to drive. I mean, these are the reasons why we landed on the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro in the first place, I mean last year, and it still holds true even up to now. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are more interested to know about the things that we don't like so much. So I asked my mom about this, and she only has a couple of comments. First, she said that she has more frequent trips to the gas station than before. So that gives her the impression that the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro is is a lot less fuel efficient than the Toyota Fortuner. But then, if you think about it, the Toyota Fortuner had an 80-liter fuel tank capacity versus I think this is a 50-liter fuel tank. So because we have a smaller fuel tank here, then it's natural that the Tiggo 7 Pro will have to go to the gas station more frequently than something like a Toyota Fortuner with an 80-liter fuel tank capacity. So I explained that to my mom, and she lives in the city, in a condominium as well, and she goes to the office, so she always goes through a lot of traffic, rush hour traffic. So our fuel consumption with this vehicle in heavy Metro Manila rush hour traffic, we're looking at around 5.5 to 6 kilometers per liter, even in eco mode. Now, we also learned that because this is a 1.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine, then it would be better to use premium fuel for the Tiggo 7 Pro instead of just the regular unleaded gasoline. So yes, it was Chery Auto Philippines who advised that to my mother, and since then she's been filling this up with the premium gas, which helps with the performance. But if you're always stuck in, stop and go traffic, then the fuel economy will be, around that area, 5.5 to 6 kilometers per liter. Now, the second comment that my mom had about this vehicle is kind of caught me off guard, because she said that it's a little bit matagtag, which in English means it's a little bit bumpy. Now, the Tiggo 7 Pro rides on MacPherson's up front. We've got an independent multi-link rear suspension at the back. So I was kind of taken aback by that. And I did ride it. And yes, it's not as, it's not as smooth as what you'd expect from, let's say, a sedan or maybe a minivan. But it's not as harsh as the Toyota Fortuner. Definitely not as harsh. All right. So yes, it's still a crossover SUV. So it could get a tad bit bumpy, especially in rough roads, uneven roads. It's pretty much the same, thing that you'd expect from any crossover SUV. So yeah, aside from those two comments though, my mom is perfectly happy with this ride, and she is also perfectly happy with the after-sales support that Chery Auto Philippines has provided. You see, it's just been a year, so we're still in the free 3-year preventive maintenance service package. So she hasn't paid for anything for her maintenance servicing of this car. And the after-sales support of Chery Auto Philippines is really something else. I mean, it's next level, guys. It's phenomenal. And I'll give you one example of how we were able to use it. So there was one incident where my mom drove the Tiggo 7 Pro and she went to the gas station to fuel up, and she turned off her engine. Now, when she was going to turn it on again, it won't turn on, and she started panicking a little bit, and she called me. And we called Chery Auto Philippines, asked for support, and it just turns out that the brake pedal wasn't depressed as hard, which is why the car wouldn't start. So it's a little bit of, it's not really the fault of the car. It's just you'd have to step on the pedal a little bit harder and then push the engine start button, and it will just start up. But here's the thing. When Chery Auto Philippines found out about that incident, they were ready to send a service crew to my mom in the gas station. I mean, talk about next level service, right? You see, you could really tell that Chery Auto Philippines is truly committed to give the best possible after-sales support and service to their customers. Now, I'm pretty sure some of you might be commenting already that, that's because you're Reagan, you're Reagan's right, you're an influencer, you're a car reviewer, of course they're gonna take care of you. Now, dude, that would be true if it's only me. But if you will look at all the Facebook groups of Chery owners in the Philippines, you will see that a lot of people there are very happy with the after-sales support that Chery Auto Philippines provides. So it's not just because I'm Reagan of Reagan's Rides, okay? They are really committed to give you the best service possible. Now lastly, guys, another plus that we love about this car is after 6,300 kilometers, the build quality, the materials that were used, it's still really, really good. I mean, there are some naysayers out there who are saying that, that's a Chinese brand, give it a year, it will start falling apart. But dude, it's not happening. And it's not like we're the first it's not like we're the first Chery Tiggo 7 Pro owners here in the Philippines. This Chery Auto has been in the Philippines for several years now, and you don't see, these Tiggo 7s or Tiggo 8s or Tiggo 5s or Tiggo 2s broken down on the road. You don't see that. We don't have any recalls, and I can tell you that even after a year, I know it's just been a year, but yeah, the materials, the cabin materials have held up pretty well. The panels, the body panels, they're all still pretty tight. So yes, I am quite impressed with the level of build quality that this Tiggo 7 Pro has. So there you have it, guys. That's a quick update on our 1-year-old Chery Tiggo 7 Pro. This vehicle right here still runs very smoothly, runs really well, runs quietly on the highway. We are very much satisfied with this vehicle and with the after-sales support of Chery Auto Philippines. Now, yeah, it's just been a year, but I'm pretty sure that our Tiggo 7 Pro, with proper care and maintenance, will last for many years to come. Anyway, dude pare, thank you for watching this quick update. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching.